Hello my dear students, today we will discuss the biology question and answer of this year NEET 2025. Yesterday we have already discussed the first part. Today we will discuss the next 15 questions with answer with logic of this year NEET biology 2025. So let's start. Which chromosome in the human genome has the highest number of genes? The answer will be chromosome number 1, option 1, because the chromosome 1 has most genes, that is 2968, and the Y chromosome has the fewest, that is 231. Next question: which of the following statement is correct about location of the male frog copulatory pad? Male frogs can be distinguished from the female frog by the presence of copulatory pad on the first digit of the forelimbs. This structure helps the male hold onto the female during reproduction. So the correct answer will be option 4. Next question: which one of the following phytohormones promotes nutrient mobilization which helps in the delay of leaf senescence in plants? Cytokinin promotes nutrient mobilization which helps in the delay of leaf senescence. Next question: while trying to find out the characteristic of a newly found animal, a researcher did the histology of adult animal and observed a cavity with presence of mesodermal tissue towards the body wall, but no mesodermal tissue was observed towards the alimentary canal. What could be the possible coelom of that animal? The correct answer will be option 2, that is pseudocoelom. In certain animals, the body cavity is not fully lined by mesoderm. Instead, the mesoderm exists as scattered pouch between the ectoderm and endoderm, and generally the mesoderm lines only the body wall. It's present next to the ectoderm and does not surround the alimentary canal, that is aschelminthes. নেক্সট ম্যাচিং দেওয়া আছে একটা লিস্ট 1 এবং লিস্ট 2, এটাকে ম্যাচ করতে হবে। তাহলে এখানে আমরা জানি যে হেডটা হবে জেনিটাল মেটেরিয়াল, মিডল পিস হচ্ছে এনার্জি প্রোভাইড করবে, অ্যাক্রোজোমের মধ্যে এনজাইম প্রোভাইড করবে, আর টেল ইজ রেসপন্সিবল ফর স্পার্ম মোটিলিটি। সো দ্য কারেক্ট আনসার উইল বি অপশন 1, A4, B3, C1, D2. Next, given below are the stages in the life cycle of pteridophytes, and in the following stages in the correct sequence: prothallas stage, meiosis in spore mother cells, fertilization, formation of archegonia and antheridia in gametophytes, transfer of antherozoids to the archegonia in presence of water. In pteridophytes, the main plant body is a sporophyte which is differentiated into true root, stem and leaves. The sporophytes bear sporangia that are subtended by leaf-like appendages called sporophyll. The sporangia produce spores by meiosis in spore mother cells. The spores germinate to give rise to inconspicuous, small but multicellular, free-living, mostly photosynthetic thalloid gametophytes called the prothallus. The gametophytes bear male and female sex organs called antheridia and archegonia respectively. Water is required for transfer of antherozoids. The male gametes released from the antheridia to the mouth of the archegonia. Fusion of male gamete with the egg present in the archegonia result in the formation of zygote. So zygote therefore produce a multicellular well differentiated sporocyte which is the dominant phase of the pteridophyte. So here the correct answer will be option 1, BADEC. Next, cardiac activities of the heart are regulated by, এটা হবে নোডাল টিস্যু দেওয়া আছে, স্পেশাল নিউরাল সেন্টার ইন দ্য মিডল অবলাঙ্গাটা, অ্যাড্রিনাল মেডুলারি হরমোন, অ্যাড্রিনাল কর্টিক্যাল হরমোন। তাহলে এটা হবে অপশন 1টা হবে ABC অনলি হবে, নোডাল টিস্যু, স্পেশাল নিউরাল সেন্টার ইন মিডল অবলাঙ্গাটা, অ্যাড্রিনাল মেডুলারি হরমোনস, অ্যাড্রিনাল কর্টিক্যাল হরমোনসটা হবে না, এটা এই অপশনটা হবে না। নেক্সট কি বলছে, হুইচ অফ দ্য ফলোইং অর্গানিজমস ক্যানট ফিক্স নাইট্রোজেন? তাহলে এর মধ্যে কোনটা নাইট্রোজেন ফিক্স করতে পারে না? দ্য নোডিউলস অন দ্য রুটস অফ লেগুমিনাস প্ল্যান্টস আর ফর্মড বাই symbiotic association of rhizobium. The bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen into the organic forms which is used by the plants as nutrient. Other bacteria can fix atmospheric nitrogen which is free living in the soil, example azospirillum and azobacter, thus enriching the nitrogen content of the soil. Cyanobacteria are autotrophic microbes widely distributed in aquatic and terrestrial environments, many of which can fix atmospheric nitrogen, that is Anabina, nostoc, oscillatory, etc. So here the correct answer will be option 2, that is D only, volvox cannot fix oxygen. Option D টা হচ্ছে correct answer. Now, next question, given below are two statements. Statement 1, transfer RNAs and ribosomal RNAs do not interact with mRNA. Statement 2 বলছে RNA interference takes place in all eukaryotic organisms as a method of cellular defense. In the light of above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. tRNA interacts with mRNA during translation by matching its anticodon to the mRNA's codon part. rRNA is a part of ribosome and helps in alignment of the mRNA and tRNA, facilitating protein synthesis. So, and the second statement, RNA interference takes place in all eukaryotic organisms as a method of cellular defense. So the statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. The correct answer will be option 4. Next, here is a diagram. In the above represented plasmid diagram, an alien piece of DNA is inserted into EcoR1 site. Which of the following strategies will be chosen to select the recombinant colonies? In insertional inactivation process, a recombinant DNA is inserted into the beta-galactosidase gene, which inactivate the enzyme. When no insect is present, the enzyme works and colonies turn blue to a chromosemic substance. When the insert is present, the enzyme is inactivated and white. There is no color appears. Identify the colony as recombinant. So here the correct answer will be option 3. White color colonies will be selected. Next কি বলছে, which of the following genetically engineered organisms was used by Eli Lilly to prepare human insulin? Eli Lilly, a pharmaceutical company, was the first to commercialize genetically engineered human insulin under the brand name Humulin. Scientists inserted the human insulin gene into plasmid, which were then introduced into genetically engineered Escherichia coli bacteria, a type of bacterium. So here the correct answer will be bacterium. Next কি বলছে, name the class of gene that usually catalyze the following reaction. SG plus S asterisk, তাহলে S আর S dash asterisk এটা তৈরি হলো। G হচ্ছে group other than hydrogen, H হচ্ছে একটা substrate আর S asterisk হচ্ছে another substrate. So here the transfer of a functional group from one molecule, that is S, to another S asterisk. Such reactions are catalyzed by transferase, which are the enzymes that transfer functional groups from one molecule to another. So here correct answer will be transferase. Next, find the statements that is not correct with regard to the structure of monocot stem. In monocot stem, the hypodermis is sclerenchymatous and not parenchymatous. Vascular bundle are scattered. Vascular bundles are conjoined and closed. Phloem parenchyma is absent. So here option will be the correct answer. Next, the correct sequence of events in the life cycle of bryophytes is fusion of antherzoid with egg, attachment of gametophytes to substratum, reduction division to produce haploid spores, formation of sporophyte, release of antherzoids into water. So here the correct answer will be option 3, that is BEADC. Next, which are correct? Computed tomography and magnetic resonance imaging detect cancers of internal organs. Chemotherapeutic drugs are used to kill non-cancerous cells. Alpha interferon activates the cancer patient's immune system and helps in destroying the tumor. Chemotherapeutic drugs are biological response modifier. In the case of leukemia, blood cells count are decreased. So here the correct answer will be option 4, A and C only. So thank you my dear students, all the best. In the next class we will again discuss the next 15 questions for NEET 2025 biology. Bye.